is a function of capital X, you can write dou z by dou x into dou x by dou x. This is equal to dou z by dou capital X, you write it as it is. Dou capital X by dou small x is 1 over x it is. So transferring this x to left hand side, x into dou z by dou x is equal to what? What we get? It is dou z by dou capital X it is. Now given equation can be written as, yes, right here this equation in this fashion: q squared as it is, q squared into y squared, q squared into y squared, q squared into y squared can be written as q squared into y squared. Q squared into y squared is dou z by dou y whole squared is equal to z, you write it as it is, into z minus p into x. P stands for dou z by dou x, into x it is, into x, or this can be written as q into dou z by dou y whole square is equal to q into dou z by dou y whole square is equal to, it is z into z minus x into dou z by dou x it is, x into dou z by dou x. Now you observe here this q into dou z by dou y. What is your dou z by dou y here? Dou z by dou y is 1 over y into dou z by dou y here. Therefore, it can be written as y into dou z by dou y is dou z by dou y here, dou y. So this can be written as, how you can write it? Yes, tell me. It is dou z by dou capital Y whole square is equal to z into z minus x into dou z by dou x. So x into dou z by dou x, as we see here, it is dou z by dou capital X it is. And here you replace dou z by dou capital Y by capital Q here. It is q square is equal to z into z minus dou z by dou x by capital P, where you please write down these notations, where P is equal to dou z by dou x capital X and q is equal to dou z by dou capital Y. This is dou z by dou capital Y. Yes, and now you observe this equation. Call this equation as equation number 2. It contains only capital P, Q and Z. I mean, here x and y are absent. X and y are absent. Therefore, what is that? It is of type 2 nonlinear PD. Therefore, equation 2. Therefore, you can say equation 2 is, therefore, equation 2 is of type 2 nonlinear PD. Nonlinear PDE. Yes, for this, the same procedure we are going to adopt here. Okay, let z is equal to 5 instead of small x you take capital X plus a into capital Y here. U is equal to x plus ay. Of course, a is an arbitrary constant. A being an arbitrary constant here. An arbitrary constant. Okay. This implies that on differentiation, this gives me here what? Which implies that P, capital P is equal to dz by du, and capital Q is equal to what? A into dz by d. A into dz by d. With these values of P and Q, equation 2 becomes, therefore equation 2 becomes, with these values of capital P and capital Q. What is capital Q here? A into dz by du, there is a whole square, write it as it is equal to z into z minus P is, capital P is dz by du here. Yes, I wanted to solve this equation. It is a into dz by du whole square is a square into dz by du whole square, and transfer this term minus z into dz by du to left hand side plus z into dz by du it is minus z square minus z into z is z square here, minus z square is equal to 0, and call this equation as equation number 3 and observe what kind of equation it is. Yes, tell me what kind of equation it is. A squared into dz by du whole square plus z into dz by du minus z squared. This is a linear equation or quadratic equation in dz by du. Am I right? Which is quadratic, in dz by du. Yes, we know how to solve the quadratic equations either by using the formula or by just resolving it to fractions, but you cannot resolve it into fractions by the direct formula itself. You can find the value of dz by du, that is by using the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac. Okay? Yes, therefore dz by du is equal to minus b is what? Minus b minus z minus b is minus z plus or minus b square minus z whole square is z square minus 4ac minus 4 into a is a square into c is minus z square divided by 2 into a square. Yes, clearly by using the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, this is equal to minus z plus or minus square root of z squared, a common factor here, 1 plus 4a squared minus into minus plus 4 z squared iruttali, you take that z squared outside divided by 2a squared. This is equal to minus z plus or minus root of z squared is z into root of 1 plus 4a squared divided by 2a squared it is. You can take z as a common factor here. Z, if I take a common factor here, minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4a square divided by 2a square. This is what your dz by du. This is an ordinary differential equation, and once again you can solve this by separating the variables and then integrating it. Yes, separating the variables. Yes, how do you separate the variables here? You keep dz as it is. You keep dz as it is in the left hand side. dz. Transfer z to left hand side. Yes, this is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 root of 1 plus 4a square, root of 1 plus 4a square divided by 2a square. Even if you want, you can take this 2a square to left hand side into du here, into du. Thus the variables have been separated, and you integrate it on both the sides. Integrating on both the sides, 2a square constant, integration of 1 over z is log z is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4a square, a constant. Integration of 1 with respect to u is u, plus you take the constant of integration as c here. That is 2a square into log z, write it as it is, into minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4a square into u is capital X plus ay here, plus c. U is x plus ay plus c it is. But your capital X plus a into capital Y, that is 2a square into log z is equal to 1 plus or minus root of 1 plus 4a square, write it as it is, into capital X is log small x, plus a into y is log y plus c. Yes, this is your required solution. Okay, like that we can convert some of the equations which are not of type 2 to type 2 by using suitable substitutions. Okay, similarly you can solve this example as a homework here.